The first question is, what is linguistic marketplace? The correct option is option number 3. How language is used in the give and take of social interaction. The concept behind the linguistic marketplace is that a language is an asset, a linguistic capital that a speaker possesses. As in market, every capital has its own market value. In the same way, in a society, every language or a variety of language has different values, which makes them higher or lower prestigious. So, in order to make a language prestigious, it has to acquire all those necessary features which are highly valued in the market. So, it is the demand of the market which makes a language prestigious or non prestigious. And this concept is called a linguistic marketplace. Moving on to the question number second. Which of the following is concerned with the psychology of translation? And the correct option is option number 3. Process oriented descriptive translation studies. This process is concerned with trying to find out what happens in the mind of a translator. For that reason, recordings are made of translators' verbalization of the translation process as they translate. Means an audio recording is made of the translator who is translating a text so as to get the whole glimpse of what is going on inside his mind, so that a whole and a realistic picture of translation can be taken. Moving on to the question number third. P sound in the word pneumonia in English is silent because. The correct option is option number 3. The phonology of English doesn't allow PN cluster. Because we know the sound pattern of English, the English language doesn't allow PN consonant clusters. So in order to nativize the word, P sound is dropped. Moving on to the question number 4. This is question number 4. A branch in linguistics which focus on the details of language itself, including its sound pattern, grammatical structure, and meaning, is called. The correct option is microlinguistics. Microsocial linguistics is the wrong option. It deals with the dialectic variation in a society. Option number B, option number 2 is correct. Question number 5. When learner experience significant restructuring in their L2 system, they sometimes show a comeback to the initial correct stage. This U-turn to the initial correct stage is called. Means when a learner faces difficulty in learning second language because of the structural complexity which are different from his native language, so he shifts back to the initial position. What is that initial position called? It's called a linguistic regression, sometimes called a learning regression. Question number 6. Select the correct option. The question is from syntax and the correct option is option number first. Copy theory replaced trace theory in GB theory, government and binding theory. So copy theory replaces the trace theory. Moving on to the question number 7. The total number of words in a text, regardless of how often they are repeated, is known as. Means you have a paragraph in which every word will have one value. One word, one value. For example, X has 2 friends and Y is his best friend. So in this piece of text, the word friend will be counted only once. So the number of words will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, excluding this friend because it is repeated. So the correct option is option number first, token words. Such words are called token words. Question number 8. Pick the odd one out. Vowels, consonants, and approximates. The odd one will be, of course, consonants. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Vowels and approximates share many common features. Vowels are voiced, approximates are voiced. During articulation, vowels experience no obstruction. In the same way, approximates they also experience no obstructions. Option number 9, Anusaraka is. Option number 2 is correct. It is a language translating software based on Parini grammar rules. So the main feature is that it assesses text in any Indian language after translation from the source language. Means the text can be assessed in any language once it is translated. It is an Indian language translating software. Now question number 10 is, a proscribed language is a language which is discouraged by official sanctions. Option number 3 is the correct one. It comes under language planning, and most of the time such sanctions are imposed because of the political reasons in a country.